Hey guys, finally got my Lumos helmet in the mail. If you know anything about me, you know why I'm so excited. It's because I do a lot of night riding. I don't know, there's something about the nighttime that, you know, it's calming, it's relaxing. It's just me and myself are now on the road. My kids are down in bed. My wife is in the living room or in the bedroom watching Bachelorette or whatever it is that she watches at nighttime. And I can go out for a long bike ride without anyone bothering me. There's no cars on the road. It's just me, myself, and I. But one thing my wife always gets on me about is the safety. Am I being safety? Do I have on my safety vest? Do I have enough reflectors on my road bike? This, that, and the third. I tell her yes, but you know, if I start thinking about it, the answer is really no. I could always use more. That's where this bad boy comes in. The Lumos helmet. And this is an unboxing. All right, so first of all, the box seems very sturdy, almost Apple-esque, which I would probably think is par for the course for this type of product, seeing as though it displays prominently that it is compatible with Apple Watches. All right, so let's take a look at it. Open this bad boy up. It has some Velcro, and it's starting to rain, of course. We're gonna take this inside. All right, so hopefully you guys can still see me here. I had to move this inside, it's starting to rain, so I just came into my garage to do the rest of this video. So anyway, so this is the unboxing of the Lumos helmet. Take it off. First thing you see here is that 3 easy steps to get your helmet up and going. You know, I already took it out and I just to give it a quick once over real quick. And you know, to be honest, as soon as I took it out the box, it was working. So, have your helmet here, okay, which I'll go over in a second. A bag with some goodies in it, instruction booklets, things of that nature. Turn signals. Yes, the helmet has turn signals. Very nice. And then you have charging cable and some, I think these are the rubber bands that connects to your turn signal to the handlebar of your bike. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at, first up, let's take a look at what's in the goodie bag. Let's do that first. All right, so we have a one-sheeter here. The one-sheeter says it's integrated with Apple. They obviously have some type of deal worked out with Apple. And on the back, you have 4 easy steps to get the helmet up and running. Sounds good, easy peasy. What else do we have here? Instruction manual. Nice, nice. You probably won't need that much because it really is that easy to use. And warranty card. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so we have the power cable, which it looks like one end is a proprietary magnetic connector for the helmet, and the other end is a USB. And then, like I said, you have your rubber bands to connect the turn signals to your handlebars. All right, so let's start with the helmet itself. Let's turn it on. Oh, actually first, before I go there, let's get into the LEDs. So we have white LEDs on the front here. LEDs here, which is the turn signal, which are orange or yellow. We have another turn signal here, and then right in the middle on the back is your stop signal, which is red. You have your power connector port right here, and you have your power button right in the middle. So you hit that one time, boom, turns on. Each continuous press of the button will change the light patterns. Press it once, see there? It does the same in the front as well. Very nice. Blinking fast, and back to steady. One thing I will say, and I'll do some testing that night to verify this, but these front headlights are probably not to replace your regular bike light. I don't think it's going to be strong enough to actually see the road itself. It's mainly just so that drivers can see you. Okay? Well, let me go ahead and turn that off real quick. Power cable. As I said, this is magnetic, and all you do is it just snaps into place. Oh, it didn't seem to snap correctly. Let me turn it over. Ah, okay. Let me see, why is that? It did not, if you saw that, when I plugged it in the first time, there's a little gap here as though it's not connecting all the way. But when I flip it over, it connects just fine. Let me see why. Ah, okay, so there's a notch on the adapter that is towards the bottom of the adapter itself, and then there's a hole on the port where that notch goes. I don't like that as much. And this isn't a review really, but usually when an adapter is magnetic, you can plug it into whatever the product is automatically, and this one you can't. All right, so that's fine. All right, so that. It is what it is. The helmet has a rear retention to make it comfortable, tight it, or as loose as you want it to be. This particular model is not MIPS. Does not have MIPS inside of it. I believe I saw on the website that you can get a model with MIPS in it, but I didn't. Let's see what else here. Let's take a look at the turn signals real quick. Just pull this out. Come on now, Uncle Larnel. Yeah. All right, so let's turn the bad boy back on. So, as you see here, left, right. You hit the left, boom. Orange signal, orange turn signal. Letting cars behind you know that, hey, I'm turning left. Right, right turn signal. All right, letting cars behind you know, hey, I'm turning right. You press that, and also it lights up on the button itself. So you hit it again, and it turns off. Easy peasy. So like I said, there's some other things to talk about as far as weight of this helmet versus my regular bike helmet. This is definitely heavier because of the additional technology, but we'll get into specifics as far as how heavier, things of that nature, how many LEDs, how long will this last with one charge, things of that nature we'll do with the review. Hopefully I'll be able to do a review on it. I'll take you guys for a bike ride with me at nighttime, and we'll do a kind of an impromptu review during that time frame. All right, like I said, I am super pumped about this helmet. Can't wait to truthfully tell my wife that yes, I am being safe at night, and she'll see the helmet, so she'll 100% believe me. All right guys, I will talk to you next time. Peace.